o'clock and we are in the van.
Hey.
On the way back down to Everdeen. We have both had to run back up to Paris for various work and life reasons. And then we're just up there for a couple of days and then we've run back down back to the house. And we're, what, about an hour away now? I'll be very happy to get home and crash. And then I think the first project we have planned starting tomorrow is to finish the kitchen.
Hey.
Yeah.
Feature furniture. Oh.
Yeah. So yeah,
Hands on the wheel.
the kitchen. I mean, it's good that I've got my driver's license now.
Yeah.
Because I think your driving is maybe getting questionable. No, great thing. But yeah, first project is to get the kitchen out of the boxes that it's currently sitting in. It was delivered in the boxes and half of it has not been touched or assembled. So tomorrow we assemble, we install, we go to the hardware store and buy stuff.
A lot of electricity to do, some plumbing. Yeah.
There's more
great.
plumbing to do?
A little, but mostly electricity. We have to create new electric lines for the oven and the stove, and I think for the I don't know, like the vacuum over the stove. I don't know how you call that.
Oh, the evacuation thing.
The evacuation thing. Yeah, you have to have also a separate alimentation. So we have to create 3 electric lines. So it will be fun. Maybe the next video is how the house is on fire.
Yeah, us sitting in the garden as we watch the house burn down.
Yeah.
Great. So, cut to that. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here, sweetie. Oh. Hello. Hello. There's some great cats in this village. Yeah, you got great cats. You want pets? No. No, thank you. Oh, someone's a sad boyfriend. Because
Where's the cat?
he got replaced by a cat.
Where's the cat? The cat's not here.
The cat
anymore.
left. Yeah.
Oh, the cat left. Oh, so you don't have any other choice but
I gave you your sausages back.
Yeah, but
I only fed one to the cat.
But only because it was not good enough for the cat.
Yeah, the cat didn't like them. But you have them now.
Yeah, it's good to be the second choice after the cat.
Job number 1 today is dismantling this armoire that has been in the blue bedroom for ages and needs to go downstairs, and both to clear space in here and also because it's going to be a linen cabinet. But how's it going?
And nails. Also fun to remove. Hopefully you have a nail remover.
Oh, I'm so prepared.
Yeah.
Yeah, for any task.
This nail doesn't have a head, so it's
not very helpful then.
but it helps. So.
Well, I'll let you. Please.
Got you!
Oh.
Yay!
Victory! Well, I'll let you battle with the nails.
Yeah.
Don't hurt yourself.
I'm trying to. I don't want to end my last squish on the manual. So I need to put this on the side so I can disassemble it easily. Whoa. It's a little dusty up here. Ta-da!
Wow!
Well, there were much more parts than I thought.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, because like the top was all these parts, the bottom also several parts. Yeah, the back of the armoire was also in several assembled parts. So I try to label everything, but
Wow!
Lego to assemble again.
You did so good. It looks so big and it looks so like much more space in here.
Much more bright.
Wow.
Oh, that's a funny beam up here.
Yeah, I don't know why that beam is like that.
Hey, fancy.
Someone got very creative with the beams in this house. It's artistic. Oh, wow, this is so good. I'm so excited.
Well, there's a lot of dust.
Well, we can clean that up. That's fine. Dust is okay. Yay, good job.
Beer now.
Well, I sat down in the kitchen to work on a video for the YouTube channel. And not only has Laurent moved the whole disassembled armoire into the hall, ready to take down the stairs, but you've also opened up the sewing machine and you've got so much information about it now.
Yeah, the first thing is it kind of works.
Yeah, let's see.
So if you move the pedal, it kind of works quite good. Actually, the belt is a little loose because it's very dry, but I think like hydrating it with like body lotion or something like that could be good. And also, I could see what model and brand it is. So it's a Heid und Neu, like it's a Deutsch, German company that was kind of the leader in the early 20th century.
How do you know something about everything?
Well, Google is my friend about a lot of things. And I don't say that because Google owns YouTube. I don't mean that for that.
Oh, yeah.
But just because you can find a lot of information. And there's here a serial number, which is 1,447,000, etc., etc. And looking about it, on dating Heid und Neu, you can see that it's a machine that was built between 1910 and 1920.
Wow.
Probably closer to 1910, because the data...
So this machine is well over 100 years old.
115 years old, probably, yeah.
Wow. It's in really good condition. Like, it's really... It seems like everything is working well and like it's really amazing.
And the thing that looks amazing is that it seems to have quite good features for the time it was created, because I already restored a Singer machine from 1917 before. Of
course you have. You've done everything.
Why not? And it didn't have the features that this one has, because this one has here a lever that you can choose the length of the stitches. So it's from 0 to 4. And so it makes the small hooks that are here move faster or slower. But also it can sew. It can sew reverse. So when you begin or end sewing, it can move forward and backward, and this is amazing for the time because it's quite a nice complication. It's like a small gearbox in the machine with a reverse movement, so it's great.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
So not only is it over 100 years old and in quite good condition, but it's like quite a fancy one for the time.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so nice. It's so gorgeous too.
Yeah.
I love this machine. I can't wait to try making something on it.
And the furniture in it is looking very good too. It's like, I don't know how you say that in English. We call that in French, marqueterie.
The...
Small wood pieces that...
Yeah. I don't know how you say that in English either, to be honest. But you mean the inlay. I think we call it inlay.
Yeah, so small inlays that are amazing. It's really nice.
It's gorgeous.
It's in perfect condition.
I like the little pin cushion there, that if you open that up.
Oh, yeah.
How cute.
And I'm pretty sure we can find quite a lot of documentation. It was sold a lot in the early...
Very popular.
Yeah, very popular. So I'm pretty sure we can find some documentation about it and all the manuals and everything. So it's great
So
to have some
good.
things to look for.
Aw. It's so cute that I just came in here and you were working on the machine and now we know so much about it.
Yeah, I like old machines.
Yeah. Good job. You're very productive this morning.
Yeah.
I don't think I've opened that window before. It's got a really nice view. I think I can see part of the chateau. Oh. Well, we're opening it to see the other sewing machine. So this one is downstairs in one of the first floor bedrooms. I think this one's a little newer.
I have no idea. I'm looking for a serial number or something like that. I can't find it right now. Unique, Boulevard Beaumarchais, Paris 3e arrondissement.
We did find the instructions in a drawer.
Yeah.
So that's going to be useful.
The belt.
And this one, the belt is not broken, but just not in place and connected. Actually, it does look like it broke.
It broke, but
Yeah, but only a little.
what it says here that it's when the belt is too loose, you have to shorten it. So what we really need to do is making a new hole in this one and just bending this to put it back, and it will be a bit more tense. So it will be great.
And
Or we should get a new belt maybe, but or a belt, or it looks in quite good condition. The same, we should hydrate it. Yeah, we should put some lotion on it to make it work. I used to do that with my motorbike leather jacket. I went to the supermarket and bought baby lotion. And I was with my leather jacket and pants, and I'm going to buy baby lotion. She was looking like, yeah, it's for my jacket. But it's great.
She was judging you.
Yeah, she was judging me like, why are you using? Is it for your bum? No, it's not. For it's for my jacket. So, is there somewhere any kind of
serial number? Let's look. I don't see anything on the bottom, or on the wheel, or on the door. And I looked in the instructions, but I haven't seen a serial number there.
No.
No? Oh.
Maybe under here. I love that so much.
You're so happy.
Look inside.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Is it on the, wait, like, open the thing again? Is it, like, on the back, maybe?
Nope. Yeah, this one also has the reverse.
Wow.
Well, you can see here. It changed. I put it. So now it's sewing frontward, and now it changed. It's turned and it's going backwards. And frontward again and backward again. That's so good.
We've got two very fancy sewing machines.
Yeah.
Oh. So it seems to work really good.
Yeah.
So it just needs to replace the belt.
And maybe doing some cleaning and lubrication and things like that.
Maintenance kind of things.
Nice, yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
That's such a good design. Are we hungry?
Are we hungry?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. Should we barbecue?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's very nice weather today, so yeah.
Yeah?
Let's barbecue.
Yay!
We have veggie burgers, We have vegetables.
Yum. That is a very serious veggie burger. This is great. Mmm. Oh. Wow. Super gourmand.
Oh.
So, how are you going to eat this?
I have no idea. You don't want to shoot that.
Oh, I do. I really, really do. Go ahead. Let's see. It's taller than it is wide.
I'm totally confident about that. Bon appétit.
It's escaping.
Come back.
Delicious.
I think so.
Happy.
Right.
What are you doing?
I'm thinking about how to organize I'm optimizing the work. That means
Oh. Mm.
I'm doing some very deep analysis of the tasks so we can not lose any time and be as efficient as possible.
And the wine box on the table is just a coincidence.
I can't tell anything about that. I don't see the wine box on the table.
Interesting. Well, lunch is over and it's time to build a kitchen. So we took out the yellow cabinets that were here and the wood sideboard that was here. And that is where the other half of the kitchen is going to go. So we're going to have counters here with cabinets on the wall, stove, fridge, and it's all in boxes. So step one, find the correct box that we're looking for. Oh, serious. Gentle.
Is there anything more sexy than a girl assembling IKEA furniture? I don't think so. They changed IKEA method
Yeah.
furniture cabinets, and before it was right because you had to put what are they? You had to put these squares here before assembling the back of the furniture. But now they say that you should first put this and then add this one, but you have a shit access with that. So, well, bad access with that. And so I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to do like normal person should do, or if I'm going to do like they say.
Psychopaths at IKEA.
Yeah.
Yeah. How dare they?
I and I don't like that. How can you correctly screw this? You don't have any room to screw it. It's just nonsense.
I'm not laughing at you. You're ferocious and scary and...
Yeah, but if you can hear me, IKEA, change it, please. I love assembling IKEA kitchen, but this is nonsense.
No, you're definitely not cute when you're angry.
Oh, I'm scary.
So intimidating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit more to it.
Ferocious. Oh, now he's happy again. What did you just say about your drill?
I can do that quite easily. Just because I have a great drill.
Wow.
That you offered me.
Yeah, someone got a drill as a gift.
Yeah.
And he was very happy.
Yeah. And also because I have these long bits, I don't know if you know that, that have magnets. And so I can put the screw on it and it just stays very steady on it. So that's the only reason why you can manage to deal with
because
IKEA mess.
You have such a smart girlfriend that knows how to get you a good drill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How can you guess an acrobat is doing IKEA furniture?
I'm too lazy to move. That is some very nice furniture. So we basically assembled all of the bottom part of the kitchen on this side. We still have to assemble the cabinets for up here. Are you a tired construction worker?
Happy construction worker.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we did quite a lot of stuff today. We still have work to do, and we have to fix the furniture on the wall.
Attach it
with special rails that work great. And after that, we need to put all the furniture on the top. And cut the countertop, yeah. We have to cut the countertop on the dimension and make the hole for the oven, not for the oven, for the
stove,
for the induction stove. And also do all the electricity.
Yay! I'm so excited. It's going to be so good to have a proper kitchen.
Yeah.
Well, I think we've crashed. So I think that's where the kitchen's going to stay for today. But tomorrow, we're going to finish it.
Maybe not finish, but move it forward.
We're going to finish it.
Okay, we're going to finish it.
I believe. Well, we're going to try.
Yeah, we're only going to finish it if you subscribe. We will let it just like it is now.
You are such a YouTuber now. I've corrupted him.
Yeah.
Well, you heard him. But it does really help when you guys subscribe, and it really makes a difference with the YouTube algorithm. I know I say this all the time, but it does. So please do subscribe and
thumbs up and share and all the things you hear all the time.
Well, I think that covers it. So I will see you guys next time.